In today's video, I'm going to be spring cleaning my back entryway area. We are going to be cleaning the walls, the stairs, our closets that we have, cleaning closets, and just giving the room an overall deep clean. I hope you're ready for some good spring cleaning motivation. If you're ready, give the video a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get to cleaning. The first thing that we needed to do was go ahead and take all of the jackets and coats off of the hooks, get them where they're supposed to go. We usually keep like one or two out, but we had gotten a few more out than normal, so went ahead and got those put away. And then I got a shoe rack for this area because, as you can see, shoes just get piled up and we needed some organization in the room. So I'm putting away the shoes that I don't want there, to be on the shoe rack. And then I am going ahead and putting the shoes just up in the kitchen for now as we do some of the cleaning. And then we're going to get started with cleaning all of the walls. I'm just using this all-purpose cleaner and then a rag, wiping everything down. This area we never did paint when we moved into the house, so I didn't need to scrub it too much, and really a lot of the scuff marks and stuff are just kind of stuck on there. And I didn't want to take a ton of time to try to really scrub and get it off because I know that we are going to paint here soon, hopefully. So for now, I'm just kind of giving a light wiping, getting some of the scuffs that were easy to get off, and then just the dust that has accumulated. And we're just going to go around this space and get all of the walls cleaned, and then we'll move on into some more organizational type things.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh.
If you're new here, my name is Haley, and I'm so happy you're stopping by. On my channel, I love to share tons of cleaning motivational videos, mom motivation videos, and just overall home related things. So that is what you're going to find on my channel. And right now I'm doing a ton of spring cleaning around my house, and we are moving on now into this cleaning closet area. Honestly, it was kind of just a disaster, and like I've said in previous rooms that we have spring cleaned, is I kind of just want to get an inventory of everything I have so that I know what I need to get organizational items for. So that's kind of what I did today. I wasn't focusing a super ton on organization, but just kind of decluttering, getting rid of things that I no longer needed, wiping down the shelves. So that's what I'm going ahead and doing. I kind of did it the top shelf just by that shelf, and then I could take everything else out, and I just got rid of some empty bottles that I was no longer using, or products that I knew I wasn't going to use as well. And then I just kind of organized it according to what it was and when I use it, all that kind of stuff. So you're going to see kind of how I do that as we start taking everything out and then organizing it. Here in a minute, you're going to kind of see an overview of all of the products combined, and I do keep the majority of them in this little cabinet, and then I do have a few just underneath the sink for just an easy access, when I need to clean something, especially now where we have the baby gate because Wasey is crawling. It is definitely more convenient to keep a few more things just there so I don't have to open up the gate, because he is getting to be moving faster and faster, so you have to be watching very carefully that he isn't getting underneath underneath the gate. Luckily, he was sleeping for a lot of this cleaning, and then he did wake up and I did have to shut the gate, you'll see. But for the most part, he was doing pretty good playing with Waverly out in the living room. So that was nice. Here I'm just going ahead and kind of sorting through, organizing this area. I think I want to just get a bunch of the little turning trays. I don't know what they're freaking called, but I think I just want to get a few of those. I think that would just be really nice that I could just spin the products around to find the one that I needed. So I think I'm going to get some of those ordered, and I think that'll just fit the space better. And of course I had my little helper Waverly, because she loves to help me with any project and I absolutely love it. So many of you guys comment all the time, oh, Waverly's just your little sidekick. She just helps you all the time, and I'm so glad that she does want to help me. Sometimes it is a little bit inconvenient, you know, it just takes a little bit longer, but I know that it's teaching her some good skills for when she gets older, and she just loves to help, and it's a way that we can spend like one-on-one time together, especially with a little baby. Sometimes that can get a little bit challenging to do that, but we are just organizing this, finishing putting the last few products together, and then I'm going to show you kind of an overview of things that aren't going into the closet and we're going other places, and then we're going to start to move on into cleaning the window. It had gotten pretty bad. Waverly will like come down when Trajan gets home and kind of look out the window. So she had like little finger marks, and like from her breath it made marks all over, so got that cleaned up, and then we're going to move on into this vacuum broom area and just kind of straighten it up as well.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me,
After I got done organizing that closet, I went ahead and put a new air freshener in, and then now we're building the shoe rack, and this took me quite a bit of time to figure out how it worked, and I was about ready to just see if my husband could get it to work, and then I figured out you just have to push really hard to get it to lock into place, because I was honestly thinking that they just gave me like, I bought like a defective rack because I couldn't figure out how to get it to work, and I finally did, and so far we are liking the way that it is working out. It's definitely simple, but it's doing its job, and that's really all that matters. I was gonna get like more of a fancy one, but I was like, you know what, it's for a back like entryway door area. If it was for like the front door, I'd probably want one that was a little bit better, although basically when people come over they do use the back door. I was like, it's usually family and friends, so I don't really care too much, honestly. It's a shoe rack, it's nothing, you know, crazy, it's just holding shoes. So went ahead and we got this put together, and then after I had done this, Wasey was still sleeping at this point, so I wanted to wait to use the vacuum so that way it didn't wake him up. And so he had woken up, and now we are going ahead and vacuuming the stairs. I love to hand vacuum all of these just to get like a really good clean, and I feel like I can do this really good with the corded vacuum. It just picks up a lot more dirt, and I feel like we usually don't wear shoes in the house, but these 3 stairs, occasionally we do, like if we have to hurry and run in and grab something in the kitchen, or like going to work, and so I have like my lunch and other bags, and then I need to get Wacy and Waverly, so there's sometimes that it's just easier for me to hurry and walk in. So, you know, the occasional time we are walking on these stairs, so they can get dirty. So I wanted to go ahead and get them vacuumed really good. So I took some time and really got them cleaned. And I've said in like previous room cleanings that I am going to use my mom's carpet cleaner just like in one day and just get all of the carpets done. So that's what I was gonna do. I'm not going to be cleaning them today, but I definitely want to do that here soon once I kind of get the house clean. I want to get every space kind of cleaned up so that way I can just tackle all of the floors all at once. That's what I'm going to be doing here hopefully in the next month or so, because my goal is to get all the spring cleaning done in the month of May. I know with this warmer weather we're going to be having, it already has been so hard to want to clean, and I've just been pushing off my spring cleaning because of it. So hopefully I can just push through and get the rest of my spring cleaning done so that way we can spend a lot of time outside and focusing on just other projects that we will be wanting to tackle.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
I am now just sweeping this floor, and then I'm just going to quickly hand mop the floors and then put the rug back, and then we needed to put the shoe rack down here and get it all put together. I was trying to find one that would be able to open, I would be able to open this door right here, so that way we could get in there to get the vacuum out and things like that. So it doesn't open all the way, but you can definitely open it enough to get into the door, which is exactly what I wanted. So it works out perfect. And really with our shoes there, the space that it does take up, it really wasn't taking up any more than what our shoes normally were. So it's just nice to have these nice and organized, and like you can look in her doorway and it's not just chaos with all the toys, not toys, shoes. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. I hope you guys got motivated to tackle a space in your house. If you did, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.